everyone. So last week I put it out there to give me suggestions for a fake business name. I just recreate something in our software to show how easy it is to create a marketing piece right from scratch even. So in this case, the winner of this was Jakrey Myers. He said, introducing Shockwave, the world's most shocking toothbrush. We give people the creativity spark that they're searching for, and our new dental hygiene experience is guaranteed to blow your mind. Literally, you might be thinking, this doesn't sound like your average toothbrush. You couldn't be more right. And it goes on to explain a little bit more. Now, I'll show you what I've done. So let's just open up my camera. We'll scan the QR code. Actually, we'll read this first. Marketing got involved. Me. So I changed it to gum instead of a toothbrush, because that's what marketing does. Are you looking to start a new venture, write a new book, or create a new masterpiece? Charge up your creativity with Shockwave, electric gum for your mind. Our patented neurostimulation gum is capable of unlocking your creative potential by instantly generating new neural pathways. Now that's all copy from Jakrey, so I just put it into the flyer, and I designed this all in Canva right inside our studio. Let me show you the result. So scan the QR code, it comes up, and of course we'll say, line up the existing image because it's already there in front of you. So education's covered. We'll just look at this. So we have this really cool electric gum coming out, and we have this little bit of parallax inclusion. We have some TikTok, Twitter, and a learn more button coming in. I told that in PrintCAST to be able to fade in at certain times, and they're all linkable. You can touch them to go to the different spots. And of course we have this really cool parallax happening. Let me show you how I did that. So this cast is only created with about maybe 5 elements, I believe. So we got 1, 2, 3, the foreground, the background. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So we have the underneath cast properties on the right-hand side. We have objects below grid are visible if behind image. So that's how you turn on the actual occlusion. So that's how you're able to see the video through the design, right? Let me go back here and change it to always. This helps you design in a little bit better way so you can actually see what's going on everywhere. Okay, so that's how I have the gum coming through the hole. This triangle is just a PNG. So I'm just gonna go edit cast. I'm gonna go select a new file. I'm just gonna go edit on Canva because that's where I got the original design to begin with for our actual tracking marker. Now inside Canva, I can edit the text, I can give new copy, I can manipulate objects, I can move it all around, I can change anything wherever I want it to be, right? So if I want to name this new gum, I'd be able to do that right inside Canva. That's built right inside our studio. And I would simply go export to PrintCAST, and it would replace that tracking image with the new one. In this case, for the triangle, I actually did it right inside Canva with their background removal tool, which allowed me to actually erase the background. So you can get rid of stuff or you can restore stuff. And I simply painted out the triangle and exported the PNG, and I use that as my overlay to give that triangle effect on top of the cast itself. So that's how I was able to get that knockout look with the triangle, okay? So just to illustrate that again, that's how it gives that look. Now if I turned off the occlusion, if I went back and said, if nothing behind image, the update, just default, and go save, this is what will happen. And we can do this fast. This is all real time. There's no cuts. I just hit record and I'm doing this. This is how fast our studio is to actually do these elements. So now you can see that the video is not showing, but I left always behind. So let's just go return to studio, and let's put that back to if behind image, and go update, save, and we'll refresh that once it's saved. Let's go checkout. For free, this is created for free. Let's go return to studio. Let's refresh this, and now we'll be able to see through that triangle again. And of course, the elements will fade in as I wanted them to. And to do the fade in effects, all you have to do is click an element and just say what you want the length to be, and how long you want the fade in delay and the fade in duration to be, as well as add a glow effect. So in this case, I'm just going to add our website and just go save. check out. We'll refresh this. And I'll just aim at this. And when it comes up with the more information, I'll tap that and it will just go through to our website. And that's as easy as it is. And that's how you can quickly create marketing right inside our studio to add AR to it, as well as design right in Canva. And last but not least, I grabbed this model from Sketchfab. And this is by Senbit, the electric shock gum. So I was able to just bring that right inside PrintCAST, and that's available in our studios, PrintCAST, WorldCAST, and GeoCast as well. Sketchfab is directly built in, and you can use Canva for PrintCAST, and you can keep track of how big your cast is getting down in the bottom left corner. This is only 9 megabytes altogether with all these elements for the video, and I got the video from Envato to be able to just quickly get that background effect using stock video. So anyway, that's how easy it is to do all this. I mean, those are the elements. I have lots of tutorials on how to do it all from scratch. But that's how you can, that just gives you an idea how you can quickly take an idea, iterate it, and just make something fun as well that could be used for marketing. I can't wait to see what you create.